Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to the celebration of progress. As you have just seen, today is going to be about a unique symposium of athletics and luxury, of progress and elegance, and about the next level active lifestyle.
Technology enables us to envision new concepts, new ways of experiencing driving. The concept we are revealing today is celebrating the escape. Your reconnection with nature and your passion for extreme sports, adventures, the outdoors.
And it also shows what future Audis will offer in terms of experiences. It's no longer about just getting from A to B. It's about a personal companion for a lifestyle that supports your sports activities.
To me as a designer, concepts are vehicles that let my team push boundaries, go further beyond the existing. And this time, we are going beyond the car itself.
And digitalization is making all of this possible. 5G technology speeds up data transmission by a factor of 100. With speeds like that, new services become possible, just like augmented reality experiences that support your focus on health, well-being and performance. But more on that in a minute.
The car becomes a holistic experience. Outside, it's bold. A timeless elegance with perfect proportion and flowing lines. And inside, it's magic.
And we will make these future experiences also sustainable. Our decarbonization journey already started in 2018 with the Audi e-tron. And we just renewed our electric pioneer with the launch of the new Audi Q8 e-tron. Our fully electric cars already drive without local CO2 emissions, and they're all produced in factories that operate CO2 neutral on balance. And since 2020, our plant in Hungary is also powered by the sun, harvesting energy from 160,000 square meters of solar panels. And moreover, we already use recycled materials such as aluminum. And as a company, we are growing into circularity with closed-loop systems for water, glass and plastic.
Everything is taken into consideration, like with our stunning companion for outdoor sports.
The Audi Active Sphere concept, it drives you, or you drive it, anywhere you want to go.
And it can carry all of your sports gear without sacrificing style and elegance. We are using technology to give you freedom, to give you the biggest luxury there is, time. Go skiing, get on your mountain bike, take the e-foil.
It's an athlete and a smart device. It's a partner for sports. It lets you reconnect to nature without local CO2 emissions. The Active Sphere concept guides you to places you have never been before.
It's built around what you need for adventures, including a user interface that makes it a holistic, personal and immersive experience, even beyond the car.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. The Audi Active Sphere concept.
Welcome to the world premiere of the Audi ActiveSphere concept. The ActiveSphere is unlike anything we've done before. It's a new type of crossover that combines the sleek look of a sportsback sedan, the practicality of an SUV, and true off-roading capabilities. The ActiveSphere offers a unique and bespoke experience that takes your passion for outdoor activities to new levels. Whether it's extreme skiing, mountain biking, or e-foiling, the ActiveSphere is tailored to bring along your equipment and reach new frontiers. It's an extension of your active lifestyle. When we started designing the ActiveSphere, we asked ourselves, do off-road vehicles always have to look rugged? Well, we didn't think so. In fact, we loved the idea of creating a striking car that is not immediately giving away all its potential. And this combination of design and practicality is typically Audi. On the exterior, two distinct layers illustrate its dual personality. The lower layer is rugged and robust. It embodies the car's all-terrain capability. The upper layer, with its clean architectural lines linked by muscular surfaces, exemplifies exclusive elegance and sophisticated style. The ActiveSphere is obviously designed for the great outdoors. The cabin, with all its class, is like a spacious lounge and the perfect place to immerse yourself in the beautiful surroundings. It really lets you reconnect with nature. And in order to elevate that experience, we have decided to go beyond physical displays. It was the perfect opportunity to implement a visionary user interface.
In the ActiveSphere, we're taking the digital experience to new dimensions. Dimensions that exist beyond the screen to provide you with the ultimate physical and digital freedom. Leveraging the potential of augmented reality and next-generation smart glasses allows us to break down the barriers of physical screens and open a new, unseen world. Information can now be distributed, interfaces become more dynamic, and interactions are available at your fingertips, creating an immersive spatial interface with you in the center. Unconstrained by physical borders, smart elements can now move freely to deliver you the right information in the right place at the right time. For example, let's say you want to adjust the climate. With just a glance, the user interface instinctively appears and can be relocated to keep interactions naturally within reach and in focus. And that's just the beginning of what's possible.
In automated mode, the ActiveSphere is like a luxury lounge. But let's say it's a great morning and there's a beautiful road winding up the side of the mountain. You can switch the gear selector to drive mode, which reconfigures the whole interior into a driver's cockpit. And then enjoy the drive. By switching to off-road mode, the ActiveSphere offers the next level of quattro experience. The exterior transforms. The car lifts on its suspension to offer a higher ground clearance. The lower body gets more rugged for extra protection. It's perfectly adapted to reach more extreme places.
The user interface dynamically becomes multi-dimensional, allowing you to see the unseen. Relevant information can now be provided in context of the real world to enrich the driving experience. For us, it's Quattro made visible. And it doesn't stop there. Navigation, routes, and everything else you need can be expanded and viewed in new ways, to be there when you need it and gone when you don't, allowing you to focus on what really matters.
We've also reinvented how to transport your sports gear with a number of practical features that are totally new in such a sleek body style. Don't let the elegant lines deceive you. The rear of the ActiveSphere can even transform into an open loading area large enough to carry your e-bikes.
And when you're out doing the things you love, you can take the experience with you to support and augment your activities. It's holistic, personal, and immersive, helping you get the most out of your active lifestyle. Audi Dimensions enhances the real world even beyond the car.
The Actisphere celebrates the reconnection with the great outdoors, the passion for extreme sports, the quest of adventure. It celebrates the escape.
So, here it is, the Audi Active Sphere. We've designed it so you can create lifetime memories.
With the Active Sphere, we are creating freedom. It helps you to focus on what you love and supports your outdoor sports activities with the latest digital technology.
It's all about freedom, about supporting you in what you want to do. Just like our 3 other Sphere concept cars. They not only show what the future holds, they also show how our cars will be centered around you and open the whole world of possibilities.
They are created for you, your needs, your activities, your dreams. Human centricity is at the heart of everything we do at Audi, and it's also the idea behind our concept cars, which introduce a new idea of future premium mobility to the world.
Which is typically Audi.
We would like to thank you all very much for watching. It's goodbye from us.